Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we got a project request from a community member and her name is Brianna. And Brianna writes to us. Hi Miss Planet. Hi Brianna. I would love to recreate this centerpiece in steel blue, light pastel yellow, silver, white, and navy blue. But I don't mind any other colors. Okay. I have been trying to do a DIY version of this at home and haven't had much luck keeping it all up and put together. Please help. Well, Brianna, that is exactly what we are here for. So not only are we going to show you how to put it up and have it stay up, we're also going to do it for a fraction of the cost. I cannot wait to show you, so let's get started with this week's project, Tall DIY Spring Shower Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, let's build our foundation. So for our base, we're going to have a 12-inch foam disc, a 7-inch wood plaque, and then for our top, we're going to have a 10-inch foam disc, a 7-inch wood plaque, and a 5-inch foam disc. So let's build the base first. We're going to take our wooden candle cup and we're going to make an indentation in the center of our 12-inch foam base. Just push it down and make an indentation. That's just going to give you a guide to cut out the center part with your foam cutter. Once you cut that out, we're ready to put it all together. Make sure that your candle cup is flush with the underside of your foam disc. Place high heat, hot glue on the candle cup only. And then place the center of your wood plaque right on top. That creates your base and let it dry. We're going to repeat those steps with our candle cup on our 5-inch foam disc, cutting out the indentation, and we're ready to put our top together. Place your candle cup in there nice and flush. Put your hot glue on the bottom of the candle cup, and then you're going to set it in the center of your 7-inch wood plaque. Once that is set up, you're going to turn it completely over face down, and you're going to then attach the 10-inch foam disc right onto the center top of your wood plaque. We're still working with the top of our construction for our centerpiece. So we are going to be painting the wood portions only the wood. This is going to be on the underside, so most people won't see it, but I always like those fine finishing touches so that if they take a peek at the construction, they won't see anything but beautiful decorations. While the top dries, let's focus on the base. Now, you don't need to paint the wood candle holder on the base because it will be covered by flowers, but we do want to mark off where the dowel will be inserted into our candle holder so that we do not put our glass mosaic in that area. Remember, don't worry about the supplies. The links to all the supplies are in the description below. Now, I want to warn you, this is really glass mosaic, so it's really glass. So you need to be very careful when you're cutting it to measure it out to fit your dowel. Now, I would suggest you use a box cutter or a straight edge razor. but I didn't have one, so that's why I use scissors. But I would definitely suggest you use a box cutter to trim the piece off that you do not need. And then you're simply going to take off the backing, which is super sticky. You don't need to add any extra glue, and place it on your dowel, just rolling it carefully. Now we are ready to insert our dowel into our base, only into the base. So you're going to put a liberal amount of hot glue inside the candle holder, place the dowel in there, and then seal it around the edges also with hot glue. Be sure to hold it in place for about 30 seconds to make sure it's good and set, checking to make sure that it is level. Now that our paint is dried, we're going to continue our construction of our beaded curtain. Remember, the flat is the very top, so we're working on the underside. We're going to connect our beaded strands with floral pins. We're going to take our floral pins and we're going to actually cut them in half with our wire cutters. Be sure that you have your safety goggles on when you do this. So you only need about half the size. Then from there, we're going to add a little hot glue to the ends of our floral pins. Place one of our beads between the floral pin and the foam, and then simply insert the floral pin into the foam, securing our bead strand. Whew, that was a mouthful, but you get the gist. So we ended up attaching 10 strands to our outer disc and 8 strands to our smaller 5-inch inner disc. Now, you can attach as many strands as you would like. You can flip it over, put it on the top, see how you like it. Don't glue it down though, just see how you like it. See if you want to add more strands or possibly remove some. Now we're going to go ahead and turn our topper right back over so we can continue to work on the underside first by attaching 5 to 6 cream tea roses. Once we have done that, we're going to attach anywhere between 12 to 16 hydrangea blossoms to our larger 12-inch foam disc. Our underside is complete and we're ready to attach our topper to our construction. We're going to add a liberal amount of hot glue to the very top, place our candle holder directly on top of it, and hold it in place, holding it there, making sure that it's level for at least 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the rest of our flowers to our topper. Let's continue adding our flowers to our base, making sure that you adjust your bead strands just to lie exactly how you would like them to. I leave mine loose. It's really your preference. If you would like to have them secured to the bottom foam, just repeat those same steps with the flower pins, and there you have it. Well, Brianna, what do you think? Do you love it as much as we do? Oh, I sure hope so. I think one of my favorite parts of this centerpiece is how the glass beads mimic a beautiful April shower onto our flowers at the bottom. If you can think of it, it's almost like a cloud raining down on our flowers at the bottom. So, so cool. Thank you so much, Brianna, for allowing us to be a part of your special day, and I hope that this centerpiece was what you had envisioned for your wonderful wedding reception. Well, guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. Also, you can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, don't forget to sign up for your Ebates rebates. Don't forget, they pay you to shop. So all you do, sign up is free. All you do is when you're ready to shop, sign up on your Ebates account, shop till you drop, and guess what? You will get a check in the end. You get paid. So check out the link. It's in the description below. In addition to that, don't forget that our digital store is up and running, and I'm so excited. Some of you have already gotten your Maid of Honor binder. We have had brides buy it for their Maid of Honors, and we have had Maid of Honor say, thank you, thank you, thank you for creating it for me. I know exactly what my responsibilities and duties are. I had an absolute blast creating it, and our team had a wonderful time putting it all together. And don't forget, this is a digital download store. So the reason we did it digital and not to where we mail you out a binder, we wanted you to have immediate access to it. But more importantly, we wanted to save you shipping cost. So we wanted to save you time and money. In addition to the fact that we want our subscribers that are in Canada to get it immediately, that are in South Africa to get it immediately, that are in Australia to get it immediately. We wanted to make sure it was available for everyone immediately. So when you sign on, you can look at the project reviews, you can look at more videos about the product to make sure that it fits your needs. When you buy it, you will have instant access to download it. So I hope it is helpful. We've got some great reviews, and don't worry, we're listening to you. We have another binder coming out very soon for all you princesses out there. Well, guys, our time is just about up. Don't forget, all the links to the supplies are in the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle or arrow, however it looks on your screen, and you will have all the links to the supplies as well as the project costs at your fingertips. In addition, there's a link for you to submit a project request. Make sure you do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast for the year, and you know how I hate to say no. So make sure that if we can help you with a project that you get on there, go to that link and quickly get your project request in. Don't forget to check out our website for all the written and visual instructions for our projects, as well as blog posts and so much more information that, frankly, we just don't have enough time to give you on our weekly YouTube project posts. Well, thank you so much for hanging with us. Thank you to all of you who have already gotten your planners and have gone to our shop and have left these wonderful reviews. And we are just honored that you trust us and that you believe in us, and we're just very grateful for your support. So with that being said, until next week's project, take care, see you soon, God bless.